Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie, back with another video. Before I get into the video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like the videos, thumbs up. If you dislike the videos, thumbs down. All the good stuff. Comment, share, subscribe, blah, 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 right? Before I get fully in detail, I ain't gonna get that detailed. I like to remind people, because when I was doing the unboxing of the OSTER fast feeds, I also have the trimmers too, but we'll talk about that later. I mean, like today, but in another video. Anyway, right? When I was unboxing the OSTER fast feeds, I was talking about how it looked. I was talking about how the packaging comes off to the eye, right? A lot of people took at this to sense of that I'm saying that if the packaging is ugly, that it's automatically a failure and all that good stuff, right? But so when I do these, it's kind of just to tell about the product, and then it's just to tell my view and my experiences with these products. This packaging does not detail how a machine will work. But this packaging, to me personally, and to some people, might not be appealing. Yes, and for the most part, a lot of people is just gonna take this package, throw it away, or if they don't like them, they're gonna put it back in the package, either put it up or sell it. Yeah, of course. But I like a good package, and this, to me, is dated. I'm not saying you can't go for that retro look if you're a company. These companies can do whatever they want. They are the people making the money. They are the people making the decisions. And they are the people that's going to either win from what they put out or lose from what they put out. Don't matter to me. But when I'm here in front of this beautiful iPhone telling my opinion, that's all I'm telling. My opinion and my thoughts on the product. So, you see how I try to... So we're going to do a quick review of the Cordless OSTER fast feeds. And of course, when I was unboxing it, and got the 90-minute runtime, same motor, all the good stuff, it's cordless, right? And we seen what it came with, and you know, the guards, whatever, right? So this is the machine. I did bring out one of my corded OSTERs fast feed to just kind of do a couple cuts with. I wasn't really a fan of the fast feed, so I didn't use it a lot. But I had one, so I did bring it out, do a few cuts with it, see if there's truly a difference. And let's do the sound. All right, so this is the cordless. Really no difference there, all right? So my first opinion of the fast feed, of course, I don't like the packaging. It looks old. It looks like a company that's not caring about the output of how it looks, which is fine if your product delivers, right? So these are 220. Yeah, 220. I got them from 614. Like I told you, I pre-ordered them from 614 Barber Supply. Got them for 220. And this is the clipper. It's fine. It just looked dated. And the reason why I say it looked dated, because even if you grab a older fast feed and put it next to this, even this don't look as dated as this does. The maroon color, it just gives you an old school barbershop feel, which is fine. But even the fast feed don't look as dated as this. As you see, it's a different length, a little longer, of course. You got to put the motor, all the engine, blah, 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 right? But it's cool for $220. I pre-ordered from 614 Barber Supply. You get it, you cut with it, it's fine. It's not the best with bulk removal. Using this is not the greatest with taking down bulk, right? Fading wise, it's cool. As you can see, I was trying to explain how wide it opened on the live the other day. So that's a regular fast feed versus that. As you can see, it opens wider, much wider than the corded fast feed, right? So it cuts through her and it's cool. It don't get snagged when it cuts down bulk. It's not a smooth cut. All right. I took a few, cut against the grain. It's cool. It's decent with fading. You get what I'm saying? My whole thing about this fast feed is if you like the fast feed, you're gonna like this, right? I don't really have a lot to say about it because it's a fast feed. So on that aspect of it, it is a fast feed. With these, they fast feeds. Are they gonna overtake if you use fast feeds? I think if you like the fast feed, you will like these, but I think you will continue to stay with a corded fast feed. Because if you've been using it this long, this updated cordless version is not gonna change your mind unless you're just looking to go cordless. So, all in all, because I'm trying to get it all together, right? $220 for the corded clipper. For the cordless fast feed. And again, I don't know exactly if that's the price because there's not a lot of places selling these yet. They're still only on third-party websites. I think somebody told me Williamsport was selling them, but I see them only really on 614 Barber Supply, right? The color, not a fan of. $220, and not that the color changes anyway. $220 for the product, right? You get it shipped to you. It cuts. It opens very wide. Like I said, it opens up wider than the regular fast feed. You get what I'm saying? It don't get hot. Not the best with bulk removal. So it does come with a charging dock. And this charging dock also fits the trimmer as well, right? Does come with a charging dock. I did not like these guards that came with it. Not that they're bad. It's just, it's not as smooth as when you're trying to put on a double the Andes, right? So they could have done some type of guard that's not, I don't know. I don't like the guards, all right? Like I said, it lasts the 90 minutes that it say it's gonna last though. It cuts through her, it fades pretty good. Will I be using it? Will I continue to use it? Probably not. I got it though. It's here. I'm glad I got it, but I probably won't continue to use it. This OSTER fast feed, is it worth your time? Is it worth your money? Yes and no. If you like fast feed, you're gonna like them. If you weren't really a fan of fast feed, this is not gonna make you change your mind and say, oh, I gotta try this. You get what I'm saying? Because it's just not, it don't feel right. It don't feel right to me. But all in all, they did bring it out. I do think they rushed it. Not necessarily rushed it, but I don't think they really cared about adding anything to it. I just think they kind of wanted to say, there's a hype for this clipper, let's put it out. They also have the 76ers and the trimmers, like I said. I have the 76ers on pre-order. There's no date for those to actually ship out yet, but I do have them pre-ordered. I did get the trimmers come in. I'll talk about those in a separate video that I'm about to do in like whenever I get done with this one. But it's cool. It's just a cool clipper. I won't be using them. Maybe you'll use them. Maybe you'll love them. But I think more runtime. I honestly would have liked a different motor in it than the pivot, whatever it's in there. But who am I, right? I bought them, so they still got their 220 from me. They do have a new color wave coming out of the black and silver. The black and silver, as far as the look, it looks amazing. I do understand putting these out first because that color wave is the color wave of the fast feeds. So I do understand that. But that black and silver of this lineup is amazing, right? All right. Hopefully I explained everything. There's not really a lot to say. If you like fast feeds, you'll like them. If you don't, you won't. I don't think it's really worth it. If you like the videos, like the videos. If you dislike the videos, thumbs down. Comment, share, subscribe. Send it out to your friends. And tell them, hey, Cuz by Reggie is hating again. Because a lot of people just say I be hating on certain clippers. I don't hate on clippers. I just give my opinion on clippers. And some clippers I just don't like. It's not hate. It's like music. Some people like certain music. Some people don't. Everything's subjective. People love the alphas from Gamma. I hated them. It is what it is. Peace.